EMI is a very big hazard, especially with inspections on cell towers. It will cause your drone essentially to drift off or move from its current position. The biggest issue is that you could lose connection to your drone altogether, which means we have a huge safety issue. Optical zoom is very important. When you have optical zoom, you're able to zoom in and you have much higher clarity and resolution. This way you can maintain a safe distance for both you and your equipment. Battery life is incredibly important. When we have a longer battery life, it's more efficient, which means we don't have to return the drone, replace the battery, launch the drone, and then resume the mission, which takes a lot of time. As a professional, I appreciate the ability to fly anywhere I need to go through and fly. Where, when, and how, it's not up to the manufacturer to stop me.